Welcome back, guys and girls. Friendly build off challenge on Facebook. I have posted these and we have a winner, and this is how it started. Andrew Furber had the idea. Same vehicle from Asda. It's Walmart for our USA viewers. It's a Teamsters, it doesn't say what it is. It's TM21B, whatever that means. But I've already drilled it and we've stripped it. It's a really nice casting, but I'm going to take those off because it needs something a little extra at the back. Now we've definitely got some wheels that are going to fit into there. So there are some wheels, as I said, they fit into there perfectly. I've had these ones for, oh, that's not stuck. Hold on. Yep. Bit more glue. That's better. So the wheels are from the Baja Bone Shaker. I believe it's the Halloween version. But they are absolutely perfect for this. In fact, when I saw the casting, that's exactly what I thought of. Stuck some gubbins onto it. Look at that rocks, doesn't it? I was well impressed with those spikes on the top, flamethrowers, barrel and spikes and ram from Stinky Weasel. The exhausts on the back are 3D printed. I got those off Etsy. I just took them off at that section, stuck it onto the back of there, and the sections that I cut off I used at the front, just as a little bit of a vavavoom. There it is. Primed. That is what I was going for from the rulebook. That's my muse. So I'm going to paint white now. Everything that I want, orange or any colour that's not black. And I'm looking at this, so it's not on the camera at the moment, but you've seen white painted before. We are going to go with model colour green yellow for the body. Any parts that aren't white at the moment, there's going to be the body of the car, and for the white parts we are going to use the model colour again, orange red. I do like the way they name their stuff. So I painted in the silver as well because that's just how I roll, and we have used some red, so that is just pure red from Army Painter for the spikes. Now we're going to try this strong tone. I've never used a strong tone before, but let's give it a whirl. I have been told that you need to water it down a touch, otherwise it comes out quite shiny. So we are going to stick it in the palette. We're going to get a different brush because this brush is just too small, and dip it in the water pot. I'm just literally going to use a brush's worth of water, give it a good mix, and then slap it all over the car. Every single part of that car is getting a wash of strong tone. Now that's definitely come out with a shine to it, disappointingly, but it's fine. It'll be fine. It'll add some character to it. Now we need to wipe those skulls. I've been dying to paint these. They look so good. So I'm just going to paint it. We're going to rust some bits up. Look at that, just comes out so nicely. That white just covers 2 coats that was, but white over black doesn't normally happen. And there we have it, all painted up. I went with a white stripe down the side. I was going to go with a red stripe, but I thought the white just popped a little bit more. But I think I've done the rulebook car quite proud. Paint wise, we've used the green yellow, the white, the orange red, the Army Painter pure red, the Citadel silver, and the Dirty Down rust. That is stuff, I keep saying it, it's amazing. Absolutely fantastic bit of kit. Yeah, that's not come out too bad, has it? I'm quite impressed with it. Thanks to everyone that voted. I did win. Woohoo! Andy's paint job was amazing. I've never seen yellow that vibrant, and the dirt actually looks like real dirt. quite impressed with. I'm not going to lie. Andy, you're going to have to give me some tips on your dirt making, mate, because that's coming onto the channel. Cheers, guys. If anyone wants to get involved with the build off, drop us a message here. We've had some people say that they don't use Facebook. We are everywhere else, but drop us a comment down here and we will get something set up. So until next time.